Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Techland. Today I'm going to show you how you can use an alternative website of the Lightroom. Go to your web browser and type Polarr V2. Click it. At first, the website will try to teach you how it works, but as you can see, I have already used the website, so I have my images. On the left side, click Import. You can choose either web or computer. I'll choose computer and I'll click My Photo. So this is the photo I want to edit. On the left side, Polarr already has some inbuilt looks. You can see they are not great, but they are not that bad. Like this one is pretty good, or this one. You can simply click clear and everything will be cleared. On the right side is the basic tools, like you can change the exposure, increase or decrease the highlights, and play around. The thing is pretty simple and straightforward. You can pretty much do anything that you can do on the Lightroom. So the best part of this website is it is completely free and you can also save the look. So if you click add and if you say dark green, so well, this is the look I just saved. And if I click this image and click dark green, you can see a bit of green in the image. So that's it. And to export, all you have to do is just go to the image and then click export, and you can choose the quality low, high, and best. So we will choose best, and if you want to rename, you can rename, and then simply click download, and this is the image. So that's it. And I use this website a lot because sometimes it's hard to install Lightroom if you are using the cracked version, and it helps you. I mean, you can use this website on mobile, laptop, or anything. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it.